Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to create black eyes for your CC4 avatar. So start from now, I'm going to show you all the step by step. Right. So the first step, what you need to do is just go to my video descriptions. Go and download the Freedom CC4 All Eyes color. Then open the Freedom Realistic Eyes. You can see it already have all the colors. Then the slide 41, this is the black eyes. To apply this texture, what you need to do is go to the scene. Then your 3D avatar, let's say this is Camilla. Just expand it, you should be able to see the CC base eyes. Then scroll up, you should be able to see STD, cornea, R, and L. So click the first one, then hold Control key, click the second ones. Make sure these two are selected. Once these two get selected, then the black eyes texture, just drag and drop. It is going to apply it all together. Now you can see CC4 Camilla already applied as the black eyes. And that's all for today about my tutorials on how to create black eyes for your CC4 3D avatar. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials about 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the mini bell, and get all the notification when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharings. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Enjoy!